If you want to cancel your DoorDash subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your subscription settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu in the top corner of the app. From there, navigate to Account Settings to find your subscription details. Step 3. Select Manage Dash Pass. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option labeled Dash Pass or Manage Dash Pass. This will take you to the subscription management page. Step 4. Cancel subscription. Once you are on the Dash Pass management page, look for the option to cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, check your email or app notifications for a confirmation message. This will ensure that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your DoorDash subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support.